There's a new niche that a lot of people still aren't tapping into, and it has a ton of potential. And that's using famous characters from video games, Pixar, TV shows, and movies, and putting them in a situation where they're older now and reunite with old friends from the past. Not just saying it, I'm going to show you. Here's an example where the minions and different characters, here Mario and various Pixar characters, get a knock at the door and reunite with some characters from the past. This works really well because it taps into the nostalgia of older people who played these kinds of games or who watch these kinds of cartoons and have now seen how these characters have evolved. This is something we can do really easily thanks to Abuela, and I'm going to show you how in just a few steps. The first thing we do is go to IA Studio, okay? iastudio.google.com. Why IA Studio? Because IA Studio lets us upload a video to process the script information. All right, so we're going to take the video I showed you and use the following prompt. We're going to ask it to take the script from this video, but to swap out the characters for characters from Pixar movies. What we're going to do is have it generate a script like the ones we usually use in Vuela and have it do it with Pixar characters. So it's going to process the whole video, understand the different scenes, and with all that, it's going to generate a new script for us. All right, as you can see, it has already processed all the content. It processed the script and generated a new script for us that we can take straight to Vuela. So we're going to copy the script. We're going to go to Vuela and start generating a new video. Inside the Generate a New Video section, we'll go to the Scenes section and paste it in as code. We're going to remove this and paste in the new one. So what this will do is create each of the scenes that will appear in that video. Then there will be a voiceover explaining each part. The voiceover doesn't matter to us because we're going to remove it and leave it with just audio. Next, you need to select AJ Video, Premium Style, and one important thing. Here, we're not going to pick one of the Vuela styles. Instead, we're going to choose the video's own style. We're going to use the characters, one of the videos I made for the cover. We're going to say they're the minions, and we're going to tell it to keep the consistency of this style, the consistency of this video. Then we're going to mute the voiceover. We don't want it to have a voice, and we're going to add some music that's a bit melancholic. This music, then, if you want to use something with rights or something more direct, you can use it. And once we have all this, we're going to click on Create Video. Here you can see the result and other results with different prompts that are closely related to the topic. I hope you love it.